Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce to a folk art form of India, Madhubani. In this video, you will see the traditional motifs, then some hatchings, and then 2 to 3 border practice. Let's get started.
Madhubani paintings are traditionally done with nib and ink. First, I am starting with few floral motifs and its variations in Madhubani style. And don't worry if you don't have any ink. You can make it by yourself with 2 parts of acrylic colors and 1 part of water. Every folk art comes with a rich cultural and traditional histories, and so is Madhubani. In the coming weeks, I will make a full video on the history of Madhubani and its various types. In the meantime, keep practicing these motifs. This kind of painting comes with mostly double lines, repeated patterns, bold colors, and no shading too. Next, I am making like a clover kind of flower in Madhubani style. Next is sunflower. Since we cannot show the differentiation of the petals in shading, we will add some patterns in the inner petals. Next, let's move on to some leaf pattern variation. This is the double line I was talking about earlier. Now I'm moving on with a fine liner so that who doesn't have nib can try in fine liner too. And this is Uniball 0.5 tip. And this filling up patterns is called katchni. And when you fill in the colors, it's called barani. This kind of painting is very relaxing to make. It's a real stress buster. It's just repeated patterns. It takes some time, but the output is really outstanding. Now I am showing 3 kind of variations in the same stem. All this time we were adding lines, now I'm adding tiny circles. And when we color it, these things stands out. Madhubani paintings always comes with a border. So we will make 3 borders today. And mostly it's done with free hand. Here I have added 2 more borders, and with slight variation from the first one, we can make 2 more designs. When you work with nib, you get fine lines. I wanted to show the variation from nib and the fine liner, so I have taken nib again. Now I am filling up the in-between spaces with katchni lines, just plain straight lines. For the third one, I am just simply adding a double line for the triangle and a simple half flower in between the triangle. Next, we will move on to some katchni patterns. These patterns are used to fill up the spaces in between. When we make a bigger painting, you will understand it better. So in the meantime, just practice these intricate designs. Tomorrow I am making a bonus video with full Madhubani painting. So please join me there and we will fill up the painting with these patterns. And here's the colored version.
Joining me today. There is a part 2 video coming in the same Madhubani tomorrow. So I will see you again tomorrow. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.